what to feed your Cory Catfishes. I got albino and the other one here. Now I've been feeding them number of stuff actually. Well, flakes up to this point. I lost an albino the other day, and so I decided to look into the care, especially feeding meals. And I don't think I couldn't. I observed them for a few days and I didn't see them eat flakes. It's hard to tell. It's difficult to tell if they're eating the flakes or not. So what I've done, I've actually went and bought this pellets. Ever since then, I have to say, well, you can see one there eating, nibbling. Can you see? It's blatantly obvious, as you can see right there. There you go. There you go. There's another one here. So they love eating the pellets. That's the verdict, okay? I give them pellets twice a day, sometimes once a day. And I also make sure that flakes sink to the bottom, but not too much. So I regulate my food. And that's what helps me to keep my tank, one, crystal clear, ammonia balanced. I never had ammonia spike, and everything else for that matter of fact, that it actually helps. So ecosystem is well balanced actually, if anything. So yeah, if you do that, you will definitely make your corys very happy. Right there, they're loving it, aren't they? The other fishes will have a go eating them as well. Another thing is, corys, they tend to struggle, as you can see. They will struggle with pellets as soon as they reach the bottom, because at that point they're still hard. He just galloped that, didn't he? Oh, he's out. So it helps once it has dissolved slightly, and then it has a good go of eating them. As you can see, the albino's having a go eating a pellet just over there. I enjoy watching the corys eating actually. You never see them eat flakes. So difficult to see them do that. So that's what worried me actually, to be honest with you. And so I introduced pellets. Look at that sailfin molly. Isn't that a beauty? I'm going to change my aquascape to something different, which you will see shortly.